Sara Rela. Miguel Francisco and Maria G. Maruna.
escorted, of course, by Papa Joe. Your baby is no longer a baby because she is now certifiably a lady. So this is quite momentous because the giving of the bouquet will now really officially start her journey to womanhood. And can we give the parents a big round of applause for raising such a graceful, talented, and really intelligent lady for having Winchell as she is right now. Thank you so much. And in a few moments, we are going to request Winchell to candles ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our 18 candles presenters. Can we give them a warm applause, ladies and gentlemen? Our lovely friends right here and relatives of our debutante, of course. And our all together on stage, of course, ready to give their wishes for Winchell. Thank you so much, Marinelle. Now, can we have John Lois Iborna Biber, best friend ng ating debutante at talagang masasabing kakambal ng ating si Rachel way back in their elementary days.
Hello, Winchell. Dun sa lahat, happy 18th birthday. Alam mo naman, since 4th grade lang, friends tayo, kaya I'm really happy for you na nakatahan ka ngayon, nakatid ako sa libo mo. Siyempre, what can I say? Ang fabulous ng party mo, kaya wish ko sa'yo lahat ng happiness, ng love, ng success, sa lahat ng endeavors mo sa buhay, kasi you deserve it. Happy birthday ulit, and I love you.
Thank you, John. Elementary friend po ito ni Rachel. Ano kaya ang kanyang wish? Let's all find out.
First and foremost, happy birthday, Winchell. You're now going to face a new chapter in your life. May God bless you and your family to have a happy and long life. Wish ko lang, kasi kung babalikan natin, it's been 6 years from the time na nag-graduate tayo ng elementary. But then, you still remember us, and very happy naman kami. So, always remember lang na we're always here forever. Kung ano man yung bagay na pinagdasyan sa buhay mo, and may God bless you. Yun lang. Love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I believe Miss Donita Rose Marcelo is also ready.
I know you're blessed. That's great. Parents, siblings, and my children. I wish for you is may all your wishes will come true and happiness. Always pray to God because He knows what's best for us.
Kailangan doon ako sa isip mo tatagalog ako. Kanina pa ako
We're not seeing other than us, but you know you can always count on me. Continue to be faithful, stay humble, stay beautiful, and stay who you are. Happy birthday.
Pero hindi ko walang sabi sa akin, stay beautiful. Parang kailangan ko ulitin talaga yung stay beautiful. Cute and adorable Queenie na ating debutante.
Ano yun? Ako ba yun?
Ito wala yun. Ito yun. Kasi si Paro ng pangalan.
Project Celebrity.
Ay, check sa pala iyon. Stand corrected. May I say, check sa Thank you, Jackson. And now we have Mariel May Asunakis.
Please.
Magmusulungin si Mami.
Sa kabila.
Mami.
For the last 8 years, marami na sa atin and
friend. Thank you, my dear. Now let's meet Miss Lesh Anthony Taroy. High school friends ko ito ni Rachel.
Rachel, happy 18th birthday. Isipin mo na lang natin kung lagi ko nakikita dito para sa'yo. Huwag mo masyadong bibigyan yung problema pa. Sabihin mo sa akin, if ever na kailangan mo kami sa kami for your happy birthday.
Parang may appointment lang si Lesh. Oo. Kung hindi nyo lang po, text daw yung picture meetings na. Talaga super bilis magsalita ni Lesh. Nadalag ako. Lesh, congratulations. Ang bilis. Family friend, Miss Rosie Agpabato.
Una sa lahat, sumagay ka ng happy 18th birthday. Alam ko, hindi tayo masyadong pero sa
MMK.
Thank you so much, Rosie. I hope I give justice to the name. Ruchen Drew Martin. Kung nakaliman ako, I pronounce it correctly later. So, Drew.
Cute niya.
Tama ako nakalagay dito, gorgeous.
Sabihin mo rin.
Ladies, candle lights your way. You're going to open right now. And I want you all your wishes will come true. And God bless.
Thank you so much. Drew, now we have Melissa Joyce Pangloy. Lovely and sweet, just like our David. Ano kaya ang kanyang wish? Let's find out.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Most especially to this beautiful lady right in front of me.
May joke.
I know that you're such a loving person and will always be. And in the future, maybe there are some times that we may not be able to meet. But as I always tell you, will always be part of every corner of my heart, my mind, and my life. In behalf of your friends, you met in Baguio, we wish you a happy birthday because they were not able to come. And love everyone that you'll meet in the future. Love them, love everything, love everyone, and above all, love yourself. For as they say, you can give something into the hand. And I wish you that everything will be fulfilled in accordance with your heart's desires and your mind's goals. Happy birthday, I love you. I will always love you.
Sinulit po talaga niya ang kanyang greetings on behalf of all their Baguio friends. Is she straight from Baguio also? From Baguio, yan pala po kayo naman. It is not that easy traveling from Baguio to San Jose. Congrats, girl. You well represented your group from Baguio. And right now we have Miss Denise Apa. Denise.
Pinya, hindi kasi may...
Chen, happy 18th birthday. I am grateful to met you and be my friend. Always smile, good luck to your love life, and have a good future. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Denise. And now we have Ira Francia Alcazar. Parang kayo hindi na yata sa TV kaya, hindi ba?
Sa kabila, sa kabila, sa kabila.
Let's find